Hi, welcome to week 2 in HVAC careers. This week I wanted to talk a little bit about the safety in HVAC, as safety is critical to your success and survival in this industry. Every course you'll probably take will have a discussion on safety and precautions you need to take. But understand, HVAC technician, service engineer, stationary engineers, in all the fields combined, is one most full of hazards. We deal with refrigeration, electricity, natural gas, sharp objects, and whatnot. The key to your success is to adhere to safety at all times, always looking for the safe way to do things. What you'll find in HVAC as a technician, installer, service person, or whatnot, is the fact that you're going to be in many awkward positions. You're going to be working with your knees on the ground, behind pieces of equipment, up in the air on ladders, on rooftops, and again, all sorts of places. You're going to be in cold temperatures, hot temperatures, all the time. So, what you need to start to think about is in each and every day. One of the things that you're going to always be around is electricity. You're going to be working on live circuits in order to troubleshoot. You need to have each time you're doing it, the same procedure to it, and never be complacent in that type of work. When you get complacent, you skip certain steps, and then you have an accident. So always be cognizant of your surroundings, what you're working on, where you're sticking your tools and implements, and where you're putting your hands. Try not to have jewelry on your hands, as that definitely will draw electricity to you. Don't be standing in water, and be careful on hot days when you're perspiring a lot, because that lowers your resistance level, and a smaller amount of electricity can have a definite damaging impact on you physically. You're going to have to be working on ladders, so you're going to need to use proper ladder safety, and where you position the ladder, how high you would go up on the ladder, about reaching for things from a ladder. Understand your ladder safety through your readings through this class. The other thing that I spoke about just a while back here was reaching, bending, and lifting. In HVAC, we may not lift a whole lot all the time, but when we do, we may be lifting something very heavy in a very awkward position. The things that I know from most of the people I've worked with and around is our injuries are related to back injuries, knee injuries, and shoulder injuries. Because if you're lifting a very heavy piece of equipment from a long distance, bent down, you're in an awkward position. You're not in that standard normal how to lift with your legs. You're reaching, stooping, bending. So you have to be very, very careful and use any and all tools available to you to do that type of lifting. Refrigerant safety. You have to be concerned with wearing the proper attire, gloves, goggles. Refrigeration, if a line bursts or you're working on it, it will blow out at you, thereby causing freezing on your skin or can permanently damage your eyes. So use the proper equipment when working on these types of systems. And this week you're going to be going through your lab on your assignment, I should say. There's actually no labs in this course, just weekly assignments. You'll be working on your assignment on safety, and you also have a discussion regarding safety.